Good morning if you're absent or VIP today, which is Wednesday, February 10th. Here is what we did in class. Yesterday you worked through Thank You Ma'am. We did that on our Google Meet call. So today we're going to dig a little bit deeper into it. So we're going to analyze a couple questions. You'll need this file, which has analysis card questions on it. And you'll need this file to write your answers. You'll need to open that up with Cami. And then I've also just copied the story here so you can access it because you'll need it to copy quotes. So what you'll do is read the questions on this file. So what does Mrs. Luella Bates Washington Jones's reaction to the boy snatching her purse reveal about her character? So I want you to find a piece of evidence in the story that explains what you're able to figure out about like who she is as a person by her reaction. And then you'll answer the question over here. So you type your answer in. This is what her reaction reveals, and then you'll prove it with some evidence. The only one that you aren't going to be able to answer is the second one, because the question is just like use evidence from the text to support the claim that Mrs. Jones is a strong and intimidating woman. So your answer here is just like she is physically strong and intimidating and her personality is strong and intimidating. And then you'll need to find a piece of evidence for both. So find one that shows that she's physically strong and a piece showing her personality is strong. So I've told you how many pieces of evidence and like what those should be evidence of. It's like this one you need 3, 1, 1. And then at the end, turn in the assignment so that I can grade your Cami file. After that, you're going to go to this theme one. So you're going to figure out the theme of Thank You Ma'am, and you're going to do that with these two files. So the first one, to figure out a theme, you kind of pull together all the different pieces of a story. So that can be like the characters, what they're like, their motivations, their actions, the outcomes of their actions, like all those different things can lead you to a theme. So you're going to start just by like listing all of these things. So who are the main characters? Where and when does the story take place? What problem did a character want to solve? And you might have actually 2 problems here. So you might have Mrs. Bates's problems and Roger's problems. And they each do different things to solve those problems. And the results are different for each of them. So you may have a couple of different answers here. Down here, you want to get into their motivation. So why do the characters say the things they do? Why do the characters act the way they do? What does the main character, which would be Roger, what's the main character learn? And then this question is orange because it's basically a theme question. So like when you're answering theme, you're answering this question. What does the author want readers to believe or understand about life after reading this story? So after you finish a story, what does Langston Hughes want you to think about life? What are you supposed to like take away from their interaction? So answer these. I don't need complete sentences. I just need you to answer the questions. And then you'll open up these little files here, which are just 2 worksheets. You open this up with Cami. And here you start to provide some evidence. So you have your theme on this page. So what's some evidence of it? So what does a character say that makes you think that this is what you're supposed to take away from it? What does a character do? And then for what does a character think, you're probably going to have to infer that. So that one might not be a direct quote. How do the characters in the text respond to the challenges? I just want you to X that out because you've already answered that in, again here. How does the title Thank You Ma'am relate to the theme? That one I do want you to answer. And then down here, you're going to track the theme using details from the text. So you'll get to your theme down here at the bottom by first this happened, then this happened, then this happened, then this happened, and then that led to the theme of the story. So you're going to kind of plot out the story and the significant things that happened to lead to your theme. And I do have a note, if you open this up with Cami, I believe it will show up on your end, that your theme should be in a complete sentence and it should be something you could apply to your own life. You shouldn't have any references to like, Roger learns that. You shouldn't have that. You shouldn't have like any references to like purses or shoes, Mrs. Bates, anything like that. So this one should be like, don't judge a book by its cover. Like that's sort of a thing that you can apply to your own life. That whole thing will be due. I'm going to set it to 8 a.m. tomorrow. So I'll change this. And tomorrow we'll move on to talking about something different. So if you have any questions, reach out, let me know. Otherwise, have a good day. Stay warm. It's cold out. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.